Good morning, students. Today, under the same series of advanced feature of Excel, the topic which we're going to cover is sorting and filtering data in Excel. So let's proceed. Sorting data in Excel. Sorting option in Excel can be used to sort a set of data in defined order, maybe in the form of single column or a set of columns. So sorting means arranging data either in ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Data can be sorted in rows on the basis of text, numbers, combination of text and numbers or dates. Once the data is sorted, it becomes very easy to work with the data. So here are a few steps with the help of which we can able to sort the data. So here we have entered a few data in our worksheet. So first we have to click any cell in the column we want to sort. So here in this case, we have clicked on last name column because we have to make this make this column in ascending order. So we have to click on the particular column. Step 2, to sort in ascending order on the data tab in the sort and filter group, click AZ. So we have to click on data tab, and from there we have to go on sort and filter group, and from there we have to select A to Z option. So we can see the result over here. The data is being sorted according to last name column. Brown name goes up, then Johnson, then Johns, then Smith, and then Williams. Now, what happened if we apply the sorting on multiple columns? So to sort on multiple columns, execute the following steps. Step 1, on the data tab in the sort and filter group, click sort option. So here we have to click on data tab, and from sort and filter group we have to select sort option. Step 2, select last name from the sort by drop down list. So from here on the first column on which we have to apply the sorting, first we have to select that is sort by last name. Then we have to click on add level. So on the left top side under sort, you can see plus add level. The green color plus symbol is there. You have to click on that. Then this then by row will appear. This option will appear. You have to click on sales. First, it will sort data on last name, and then it will sort data on sales. And then have to click on OK. As you click on OK, you can see your data is being sorted first according to the last name and secondly according to the sales. You can compare your sheet with the earlier one. Now filtering data in Excel. Filter your Excel data if you only want to display records that meet certain criteria. That means filter is a feature which allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides rest of the data temporarily from the view. You can filter a list to display records that meets the specific criteria or condition. So for that, we have to follow few steps to filter our data. First, click any single cell inside a data set. We have to click on any of the single cell. On the data tab in the sort and filter group, click filter. So here we are filtering the data. So we have to click the filter option from sort and filter group. Arrow in the column header appears. When you click on filter, you can able to see the arrows. You can see on the top last name column one arrow is being added, in sales column one arrow is being added, on the country also and the quarter also. You can see arrows appears on the top of the column headers. Step 3 is click the arrow next to the country. Now here we are filtering the data of country, so have to click on the arrow next to the country and then click on select all to clear all the check boxes, and click the check box next to USA. Now, when we select the country, the number of countries appears in the column. You can able to see here like UK and USA. Here you can see the country name are UK, either UK or USA. So both appears here under select all. So we have to select, we have to click on only on USA, as we just want to see the record of USA country only. Then we have to click on OK. Now you can see here in our worksheet, only the USA country is displayed. When you click on OK, Excel only display the sales in the USA. So here in this way, you can able to filter the data. Click the arrow next to the quarter. We have to click on the arrow which is there on the column quarter, and click on select all to clear all the check boxes. First we have to click on select all and then click the checkbox next to quarter 4. So here we are clicking on quarter 4 only. So here in this case we can only see the data of quarter 4. After selecting quarter 4, click on OK. So here you can see only the quarter 4 result is displayed. So after clicking on OK, Excel only displays the sales in the USA in quarter 4. So this is how we can able to filter the data. With the help of filter, we can only see those records that matches our condition, and it temporarily hide rest of all the data. Now, if we want to remove the filters, we have applied the filters. Now, if we want to remove the filters, so on the data tab in the sort and filter group, click on clear. To remove the filters and the arrows, click filter. So here from data tab, we have to go on sort and filter group, and from that we have to click on clear. It will clear all the filters which we have already applied on our data sheet.